In the realm of academic achievement, balanced nutrition plays a pivotal but often underrated role. Today, let's digest the truth about how what we eat affects how we think and learn. Firstly, nutrition directly impacts cognitive function. A balanced diet fuels the brain, much like quality gasoline powers a car. Complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide the energy that drives our focus and memory. Research from the Global Council on Brain Health confirms that a diet rich in nutrients improves attention and cognitive processing speed. Secondly, proper nutrition is linked to better academic outcomes. Studies have found that students who eat a nutritious breakfast perform better on exams. This is because nutrients like iron and vitamins B and D are essential for concentration and mental alertness. As we strive for academic excellence, let us not forget that our dietary choices can be as crucial as our study habits. Feeding our brains with the right foods can be the edge we need to excel in our university pursuits. In the tapestry of human history, cultural traditions form the vibrant threads that bind us to our heritage. These customs are a gateway to understanding the diverse ways in which societies celebrate, mourn, and mark the passage of time. For instance, festivals around the world are not just spectacles of joy, they are profound expressions of communal identity and continuity. In parallel, traditional cuisines offer more than a feast for the senses. They are historical records on a plate. They tell stories of migration, trade, and innovation, shaping a nation's palate while reflecting its ecological and economic narrative. As university students, we stand to enrich our minds and souls by exploring these customs. Let us embrace cultural traditions as a means to foster global understanding and to weave the social fabric that connects us all. Today, let's delve into the fascinating world of bees, vital pollinators that play a critical role in our ecosystems and economies. The symbiosis between bees and biodiversity is profound. By pollinating, bees not only facilitate the production of fruits and seeds, but also ensure genetic diversity necessary for plants to adapt to changing environments. Another dimension to consider is the economic impact. The work of bees is estimated to contribute to a significant portion of the global agricultural economy by enhancing crop yields and quality. This natural process is a cornerstone of food security and agricultural sustainability, underscoring the need for sustainable beekeeping practices. In acknowledging the humble bee's contribution to our lives, we gain insight into the complex interdependence of nature and human enterprise. As we continue our academic journey, let us be mindful of the delicate balance that sustains our world. In today's lecture, I would like to explore the interconnection between ecology and economics through the lens of ocean conservation. The health of our oceans is not just an ecological concern. It is intrinsically linked to the economic stability of communities worldwide. Sustainable fishing practices ensure the longevity of marine life, which in turn supports the livelihoods of millions who rely on the sea's bounty. Moreover, marine ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating our climate. By protecting our oceans, we are investing in natural capital that offers returns in the form of climate resilience, which is essential for economic planning and development. As we venture into our various fields of study, let us remember that the principles of conservation and economics are not adversaries but allies. It is in this synergy that solutions for a prosperous and sustainable future lie. In this era of unprecedented change, the synergy between entrepreneurship and technology stands as a beacon of progress. Entrepreneurship is the engine of growth, driving forward through innovation and adaptation. Technology, its indispensable ally, provides the tools that transform vision into reality. Consider the rise of mobile technology. It has revolutionized the way we do business, obliterating traditional barriers to entry and enabling even the smallest venture to have a global reach. This democratization of business opportunities fosters a more inclusive economy where anyone with an idea and a smartphone can become a key player. Concurrently, technology thrives on the challenges presented by entrepreneurial endeavors. Each new startup idea prompts technological advances as solutions to real-world problems, further fueling the cycle of innovation. As we look to the future, remember that entrepreneurship coupled with technology holds the power not just to create businesses, but to solve some of humanity's most pressing issues. Let us harness this partnership to build a world where progress and prosperity are accessible to all.
Thank you for watching this video. Will help you a lot, and subscribe our channel Vital PTE Academy to see more education related videos of PTE Academy. I will meet you in next video.